I first came to Louisville, pleasure there to find, a damsel there from Lexington, a pleasure to my mind, her rosy cheeks, her ruby lips, like arrows pierced my breast. The name she bore was Flora, lily of the west. Courted lovely Flora, pleasure for to find. She turned upon another man, who sure distressed my mind. She robbed me of my liberty, deprived me of my rest. I was betrayed by Flora, lily of the west. Stood upon my rival, dagger in my hand. I seized him by the collar, boldly made him stand. Seeing mad by desperation, I pierced him to his breast. All this for lovely Flora, lily of the west. I had to stand my trial, I had to make my plea. They put me in the witness box, and then commenced to me. And although she swore my life away, deprived me of my rest, still I love my faithless Flora,